Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about German language levels. What are the different levels are there, because many times whenever any new students like they think that I want to learn language, they will just first ask the question that what are the different levels are there and the duration and all. So today we are going to discuss this topic. Okay. The basic level, the starting level in German level is A1. Okay, A1 level. Okay, then comes A2 level, then B1, then B2 level, then C1 level, and then C2 level. Okay, levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and then C2. Okay, these are the levels. Now, duration, that okay, how much duration per level takes. So it depends. The approximate time is 2.5 month. Okay, each level 2.5 month, but it depends on institute to institute. Some says it will be of 2 month, some say it will be of 3 month. Okay, so it depends on institute to institute. Okay, these are the duration, 2.5 month approx. Okay, I hope these two things are clear, levels and duration. Okay, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2. Okay, now books. These are the different books which are there. Okay, like 90% times people follow these books only. For example, Netzwerk A1. Okay, this one. Then Netzwerk A2. Then Netzwerk B1. And then after that, Aspekte B1 Plus. Okay, then Aspekte Neu. Okay, for B2, then again Aspekte Neu for C1 and Erkundigen for C2 and all. Okay, I hope till here it is clear. Okay, levels are clear, duration are clear, and books are clear. Okay, these books you can just search on Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, you can easily find that there. Okay, now exam in India. Okay, which type of exam the German language there in India. Okay, other than India, for example, in German there are different exams are there about German language, but in India only one institute is there which takes this exam. For example, Goethe Institute. Okay, Goethe Institute are the one who takes German exam, German language exam. Okay, other than your private institute certificate is not important. Okay, for example, if you want to work in any multinational company, you want Goethe certificate, not the your private coaching certificate. Okay, that's why it is very important to give Goethe. Okay, it's very important to give Goethe exam. Okay, now exam in India only Goethe is there who conducts the exam of German language. So it's there of Goethe A1, Goethe A2, Goethe B1, Goethe B2, Goethe C1 and Goethe C2. Okay, till here it is clear. Okay, now students who are doing private coaching, they always have doubt that, sir, do I need to give each and every level every time? The answer is no. If you are doing it from private coaching, okay, not from Goethe Institute. Okay, you are not doing from Goethe Institute, the language is A1, A2, but you are doing it from private coaching, any coaching. Okay, for that you can give any level. Okay, for example, right now you are doing it from this, you can give directly A1, you can give directly A2, B1, C1 and C2 and so on. Okay, when you are doing it from private coaching, but when you are going to do your language from Goethe Institute, okay, you need to give each and every level. First you need to give A1, then you need to pass it, then you need to give A2, then you need to again pass the exam, then B1, then again you need to pass the exam, and then B2 and so on. Okay, like this Goethe Institute works. But from private coaching you can give any exam directly. Okay, let me first differentiate this one. Why I have written this thing like this. B2, after B1, B2 is B2 and C1 is categorized into two parts. Okay, that is B2.1 and then B2.2. Okay, both level takes 2.5 month. Okay, these are the books of them. Okay, but don't consider is like that I need to give B2.1 then B2.2. No, this is just the category. At the end you need to give only B2 exam. Okay, so don't confuse that. Okay, no, first I need to give B2.1 then I need to give B2.2. No, you only need to give B2 exam. Same way here, you need to first study C1.1 then C1.2, but you need to give only C1 exam. Okay, like this. Okay, now exams in India clear. GOIT exams are there. Okay, and in other for example in Germany there are TELC exam is also there. Okay, now exam fee in India. Okay, it's very important. How much fees are there for exam? Okay, so this internal students means the students which are doing it from Goethe Institute. The students who are doing it from Goethe Institute, that this means internal student. Okay, external student means private institute. Okay, private institute or coaching. Okay, which I wrote here also. Okay, I hope this too is clear. Okay, internal students, yes, the internal student fees is different, and the external students who are doing it from private coaching, it's different. For internal student it is little bit less. Let's see. For example, for internal student for A1 level it is 4,800, and for external student it is 7,000. Okay, again for A2 level it is again 4,800, and for external student it is 7,000. For B1 level again 7,000 for internal who are doing it from Goethe Institute, and for external student who are doing it from private coaching it's 11,500. Okay, and I already told you you need to give directly B2, so no sense of this one. Okay, now for B2 level again for internal student it is 7,000, for external student it is 11,500. Again this one make no sense. For C1 level again 7,000, and for external student it is 11,500, and again for C2 11,000 and 12,500. Okay students, I hope now it's clear. Okay, like if you want to start your study, and if you are thinking that books, duration, levels, exam, and the fees and all, I hope this, after watching this video, it is more or less clear to you. Okay, still if you have any doubt, please let me know. Regarding this book, again I am telling you, you can buy it from Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, yeah, I think like from my side I like said each and everything, but still if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.